And good morning everyone! It's August 1. Yan, August 1 na po. And it's Ghost Month. And marami po natatakot sa Ghost Month and whatnot. We're gonna be discussing about what Ghost Month is. Ghost Month tuloy. Ghost Month is and ano expected natin sa market. Ano nung gagawin natin sa stock market. So we'll talk more about that and a few picks of ours. Most probably bukas baka wala po tayong daily grind because we will be on our flight to most probably bukas baka bukas po we'll be on our flight to Rome, Italy na. So baka walang what do you call this daily grind tomorrow. But anyways, let's go. Joe Licares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning. Francis Kier Pandes, nice topic, sir. Tommy Montano Escobedo, good morning, coach, and all viewers. Insights po lang po kay Tech, salamat po. Mark Burns, Mark Benson Ong, good morning. Pa-check po si CEB. Alright, sige. We'll go through the charts na request ninyo. Tommy Escobedo, good morning, coach. Si Tech, and si Tech yung tinatanong niya. So far, Tech support is holding. It's a divergent support. I'd say this is already a good support. If may confirmation po tayong bounce, that will be a good entry to test Tech. Okay? Mark Bensong pa-check po si CEB. Just in case we're right, that will be very good. In case mali tayo, just always cut your losses. Cut your losses lang po. Okay? Okay, as for Tech, CEB, my question about CEB. CEB's been, nasa ME20 na pala si CEB. But then again, this is the price of CEB. This has been the price of CEB lately. I can't say if it's a buy yet. Malaki yung volume of the sell-off yesterday. Siguro pag nag ME20 bounce, at least kung gusto niyo po subukan, pwede po dyan. I am not recommending CEB kasi medyo shaky pa rin yung earnings nila right? Yung first quarter okay. Yung last quarter kasi nila, last year is negative 50. So far okay naman first quarter nila. Hopefully magtuloy sila. So just in case mag-bounce, you can test it at MA20. Use that as your support. Nagloloko yung indicators kasi nung nangyaring aksidente sa sell ni CEB. Yet, Kaloy62, good morning, idol. Happy first day of the Ghost Month. Good morning then. Happy August po sa inyo. Shells DV, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Can you tell something about PXP disclosure today? May disclosure sa PXP. Ayun, very good. We recommended PXP here. And umangat naman siya. So, that's an MA20 play. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay PXP. Let's go to news. Yun, may press release si PXP. Let's check this out. This might be something good. So nga lang, taas ng PXP So really hard to catch this. Six month nila na na earnings. One first half net loss Puro negative ang earnings ni PXP. Net loss, consolidated costs and expenses, depletion. Nako, parang mag-aano pa sila. Kailangan silang tulong ni PXP. Anyways, earnings-wise kay PXP, I think magda-drop ito. Baka mag-negative ito. The growth was speculation on the what do you call this, yung magkakaroon na naman tayo ng bagong oil mining sa oil exploration, and they're the most probable na gas project. So that was the climb, but the negative earnings for the second half and overall the first quarter might drop PXP. So this is not good numbers for PXP. Baka mag-pull back si PXP because of that. G. Martinez, good morning, Coach. Good morning din. Charles, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay Eagle, MBT, and JFC. Si Eagle, we recommended it yesterday because it was at support. Somehow, nagko-confirm naman yung support. Still good to go. Still good to buy si Eagle. MBT. JFC, I'm recommending JFC for today. MBT, use the MA20. Baka marangkada na. Then use MA20 as your support. JFC. Si JFC naman, nag-breakout si JFC from the short-term resistance. So, yes, that's a buy. I'm recommending JFC for today. Julius Calero, good morning, sir. IRC and Vulcan. Alright, so yeah, I guess today is gonna be a short episode lang. Medyo magiging busy tayo today. So IRC, massive pullback. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kaya wag niyo pong hahabulin. Kasi baka mag-pullback ng bongga, especially manipis na ang market natin. And there it is, very, very big pullback for IRC. This is good though sa mga hindi pumasok at sumunod sa atin. We will be given most probably an opportunity to buy it near support. So if that happens, that will be a good entry point. Antay lang tayo ng bounce ni IRC before we wanna get in. Daisy Tornino, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ghost month para sa mga tamad. Yeah, tama po. Not really for the tamad. Ghost month sa mga insect yan eh. Okay? That's their belief kasi. Arjel Mendoza, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Sir, okay lang po ba mag-leverage kahit pang long-term yung stock mo? Thanks po. Yes, that's okay to leverage even if you're into long-term. I do not recommend it kasi for long-term ka naman kasi everyday mag-i-incur ng charges yan. Baka hindi mag-pan out, mas malaki pa yung charges sa'yo. If you're long-term, best to not use leverage and just let the just let the position play out. Ganun lang for long-term. No need to leverage it. Leverage is really best for short-term trading talaga. Melinda C. August 15 pa po. Start ng ghost month, sabi ni parang Google. Good morning po. Yes, we're gonna be following the Chinese calendar kasi niyan. And August 1 and the Chinese calendar starts on August 1. That's why but anyways, yung mga sale for the ghost months are already starting on the start in August. Hindi pinintay yung mga August 15 na yan. That's why we're considering even the start of August as to start caution na. Okay? Yan, August 15 ang August 1 sa Chinese calendar. Here, Acabado, insights po kay Vita. Yan po si Ghost Month. Di ba? August 1st to August 29. That's August 15 sa atin. Insights po kay Vita. Recommended Vita on the support di ba? August 15, Vita recommended it on this bounce right here and somehow, at yung sinasabi ko, hindi naman agad gagalaw yan. Bumalik sa support so that was a chance to buy it at the support again. And there it is, very big spike for Vita. I cannot recommend it anymore now because ang lakas ng climb niya. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Vita. Not recommended as of the moment, very high risk na. And then we have our resistance right there. Baka mag-fail sa resistance. Siguro, the next best entry will be a breakout for you. Gusto nyo pumasok kay Vita, okay? Sir, ano po ibig sabihin ng percentage net income ni Alco? Ganun po ba talaga ang itinaas niya compared to last quarter? No, not last quarter. Hindi po last quarter yan. Yung pinapakita po, for example, let's say Alco. Okay. Like this one. This is net income percentage. Usually, this is comparing last year's first quarter earnings. Yung first quarter niya last year, which is most probably here. Yan. First quarter earnings niya, ang laki kasi ng negative nila, negative 69%. So, if they do well for this year, they will most probably get good first quarter kasi ang laki ng negative nila last year. So, this is the reason why umakyat si Alco. That's the reason why we recommended Alco because of these numbers at this level and umakyat na si Alco after that. This is not compared to last quarter. That's compared to the first quarter last year. Yun po ang ibig sabihin yan. Emily Gulciano, good morning, sir. Di ako nakatulog sa talo ko, sir. Yung kinita ko kay Natgas at Oil, binawi din ni Coke at Apple. Nakalimutan kong mag-cut loss first day of August. Nag-ghost month agad ako. Yeah. even me in eToro, nag-effect kaagad yung pullback ng market but the drop in the international market because of the parang may hint sila na yung Feds hindi magka-cut ng rate. Pag hindi nag-cut ng rate ang Feds, it's gonna be heavy for the US markets because down yung GDP nila right? They're hoping for Feds to cut rates para ma-boost naman yung stocks nila and economy. Kaya po nagpo-pull back ang mga market ngayon sa international market. Even me, I'm affected with that. Nag-drop yung mga stocks natin. So, nag-take profits lang ako sa iba. Kahit ang liit pa lang ng gains because we're waiting for the Fed rates. Pag naglabas sila ng cut, then that's the time to go aggressive again. Sayang, hindi pumasok sa end of the month. But anyways, that's still okay. Yoni Pioka, good morning sir. PHA please. PHA for Yoni Pioka. PHA nag-drop but then again, my recommendation for PHA is just keep buying the dips as long as they have the money. Hindi pa lang sila naglalabas ng projects nila. Like ABA, nauna na si ABA. The reason why I recommended ABA at this level is because ABA has very big money for disposal. And si ABA, naglabas na ng news anong gagawin nila sa projects nila. Nagka-sell on news na. Right? Then, PHA is at the similar situation, right? We are at this level for PHA. Dito natin linabas dito umakyat si PHA when they receive very big funds from their investors, and right now hindi pa sila naglalabas kung hindi pa sila naglalabas ng okay. PHA is selling 750 million to 1 billion in samurai bonds. I'll check this out. Okay. But anyways, malaki ang pera ngayon ni PHA. They still need further money. And I think laki ng project na gagawin nila. Not really sure yet. I'll research more about this. But they have big funds right now, and we'll see in the future ano na gagawin sa pera nila. I would say yes. Just keep buying the dips of PHA. Wag lang po mag-aggressive ngayon. If you have 100,000 there, wag nyo pong i-all in kung gusto nyo pong mag-test buy, okay? You just do test buy here. You do not go aggressive. Why? Because the trend is not yet an uptrend, right? This is a sideways trend right now. Right? Nagda-drop pa nga diba? So, not yet time to do aggressive. If you do test buy, sa 100,000 nyo, divide it into 3. So, mga 30,000 or 20,000 just to test the support. And then, if it goes further down, at least may pang-average down kayo. You can add you can add another 20,000 para ma-pull down yung average ninyo. So that if a trend starts, you're gonna be at a very good position at meron pa kayong pang-buy up. Never go all in, okay? Levy, Marceliana, good morning, Coach. Good morning then. Jershon Elima, sir, what's happening with URC? What's happening with URC is that it's already too expensive, right? Look at the climb of URC from the bottom. It's about time to take profits kay URC. Right? That's already 60% gains from the bottom. Been recommending URC dito sa baba when the divergence was happening right here. Also, we recommended it here. Masyado mataas na po si URC. About time to take profits, and we'll wait for it to go cheap again. The simple rule of the stock market, if it's already expensive, mahirapan na umakyat yan. Even the international market right now, nagpo-pull back nga kasi sobrang taas na. It's bound to happen, and abang na lang tayo ulit to buy again sa baba niya. Right? Best to buy the stocks at the bottom for URC. Eduke, if napapansin nyo po, is hindi ko na nire-recommend si URC here. That's because it's already too high. Eduke, good morning, Coach. Sir Lloyd, your thoughts on ORPO and PHA? Yeah, we just talked about PHA. Si OR naman, si OR so far so good. I recommended OR here, and then there it is. Maganda naman yung volume niya yesterday. So, just keep buying the support for OR. This is a very good support right here for OR. Sorry. This is the support area for OR. Pwede po natin nasbayan dyan. Francis Fahilan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Happy first day of August. Good morning. Happy first day. Good morning, Junie Herrera. Is this June Herrera? Alright, AR Plata. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Happy first day of August, sir. Insights po ng effect ng Fed tax cut sa mga stocks sa international market. If ever nagta-tax cut ang Fed, it boosts the market. That's why President Trump is pushing na bumaba yung Fed rate, okay? Yung tax rate bale. Pag bumaba yan, mas maraming taong gusto mag-invest kasi mas maliit yung taxes. So that will be very beneficial to the market. Aakyat yan pag lumabas yung news na magkakat ng rates. Rod Torres, good morning po from Riyadh KSA Costco po, please. Right, let's check it out. Right, so Costco, we have a support here in Costco. Diyan natin abangan si Costco. Right now, massive pa yung pullback ni Costco. So, nag-reversal siya kaagad. Let's see if it will give us a new entry point again at the support levels for Costco. Levy, Marceliana, bodega pa rin po ba? Si AP. About this power. Yeah, I'd say yes. These are very good levels for AP. Right, historically speaking, we're at a very cheap level for AP. Tignan natin. I don't usually recommend AP na magbodega. I just want you to test out the support if bigyan tayo ng support. Hindi ko kasi negative yung earnings ni AP and then annual niya is okay naman. We'll wait for the second quarter. Let's see if ever may maganda tayong position at lumabas yung second quarter earnings ni AP. Hopefully that will help AP. But if it gives us a support entry, test it out. But you don't have to go aggressive on AP. Hindi ito isa sa mga stocks na I go aggressive on. DBY32, good morning po. PXP mukhang magpo-pullback si PXP ngayon. Hopefully, makapag-take profits kayo ng maayos sa mga pumasok kay PXP here. This is a good win already from the day we recommended it. This is 22% for PXP. Amazing gains already for you. Okay, so medyo mataas na po yan. Wag niyo na pong hahabulin. Okay, wag maghabol. And I think it's gonna sell off today because of the earnings report of PXP. Fe Avelino, good morning sir. JFC, I'm recommending JFC for today. Si SMPH, tignan natin si SMPH. Ayun, nag-drop si SMPH ng support. Okay, so I don't want you to buy this yet. Most probably maganda naman tong earnings. So even despite the good earnings only in the Philippines, despite the good earnings, laki ng drop ni SMPH. Anyways, SMPH, mamaya natin bumili. I want SMPH to stabilize before I want to recommend it again. Maybe give us a reversal signal right away. And you can go aggressive on SMPH. SMPH is a good company. Kaganda nito is you can go aggressive on a single bounce ni SMPH because for long term naman tong stock na to, whenever it goes down, you can always add more. For traders, wait for it to stabilize lang talaga and create confirm a support before you want to test by SMPH. Derek, sir, FB po, ano news? Nag-pullback mga US market? Definitely, lakas ng pullback ng US market Facebook, there it is. So, reason why we cut our losses here for Facebook and then there it is, bumaba palalo sa Facebook. I think babagsak pa ang mga stocks sa US market and we'll wait for it to stabilize. Hopefully, makasakay tayo in the future for FB. This is a good company. Abangan lang natin. Ali, Quicksilver, MHC, PXLR, please. MHC. No, not here. Sorry. MHC. Alright, so MHC. Taas pa masyado sa MHC. Or we'll wait for a pullback for MHC before we wanna test it out. We were able to catch ito sa MHC, diba? We recommend it here at the support right here. Pero, because that was the MA20, tapos bumaba lang ng konti before really going up. So, hopefully, hindi kayo nag-cut loss nun. But this is the best entry point right here. And then, umakyat na sa MHC. Masyado mataas na po. We'll wait for a good pullback for MHC before we wanna test it again. PX, delikado si PX We're nag-lower high ka agad. But if ever it goes green, you can test out the support. May possible support kay PX dito for Felix Mining. Then strict cut loss lang for PX. This is a trading stock, okay? LR, din si LR, nagsustain naman ang support ni LR. We recommended LR here. So nga lang nag-drop siya, but somehow price action is recovering naman. So as long as this is my support kasi for LR. Hopefully it does give us a green. Pag nag-green yan today, that's recovery from at the support. I'd say yes, pwede pang pusukin ulit si LR. Sir, good morning. What happens to Zenerba? Thanks. Zenerba, maglalabas siya ng earnings today. Pumesto lang tayo kahapon kasi, ZYN, and Zenerba. This is here. Maglalabas na earnings ngayon si Zenerba. Nasa support pa rin naman tayo. So, that's still okay. Bigat lang ng market eh. We're expecting good earnings for Zenerba. Let's see if the release of the earnings will be before the market starts tonight. Right? Bago mag-start ang market, what they call this, lalabas ang earnings ni Zenerba. And since we're expecting good earnings, pinasok na lang natin si Zenerba. Kahapon, nag-breakout siya from the downtrend, kaso nga lang nag-pullback kaagad. But we're still expecting volatility at lilipad siya when the earnings comes for Zenerba. And analysts are saying that maganda ang earnings ni Zenerba. So hopefully that is positive. Pag nag-positive yan, babawi yung position natin most probably. And then if not, then we will be cutting our losses. So, we're betting on the good news and baka umakyat siya. Just in case we're wrong, we will always cut our losses. Sir Lloyd, good morning. 1 month na ako nanonood sa'yo. Salamat. Your thoughts on MBT? Aabot kaya ng 90 sa ghost months? We can't say. So, we have enough, we have enough audience already. Let's go to our topic for the meantime. It's 8:40 in the morning. Let's talk about ghost month. What is the ghost month? Ghost month kasi, right? Ghost month is a Chinese belief. Ayan, meron silang belief na when August starts in their calendar, the gates of hell open and the ghosts come out bringing bad luck, and then they will come back at the end of the month and the gates closes again. And belief nila is it is bad luck whenever that happens, and because it's bad luck, people should not shell out large amounts or should not do investments on August. Right? Yun po ang sa financial factor niya is hindi dapat maglalabas ng pera on August. Right? Yun po yung belief. And what is the effect on that? The effect on that is, that China has one of the biggest one of the biggest economies worldwide. So karamihan po ng mga investors in-check din. Right? Not majority, but maraming investors na in-check. And because of this belief, those Chinese are gonna shell up and gonna go conservative in their investments. And because they're a large portion of the investment market, mawawalan po ng investors. Yun po yung belief, 'di ba? Technically, yes. But then again, wag po natin pa what do we do on the ghost month? Yun yung sinasabi ko lagi, wag po natin pangunahan ang market. We do not guess what the market does. We just react to what happens, right? Right now sa US market, nagpo-pull back, so I didn't go too aggressive on the entries. Hinintay ko muna mag-stabilize or the Fed rates were gonna go up before we wanna enter other stocks, right? And sa PSE, most probably we're gonna be affected, but we could be wrong, right? What we can do is just react accordingly. Kasi pwede po yung mag-ghost month pero may stocks pa rin na lumilipad dyan, di ba? What you do is don't be too aggressive. Huwag niyong pangunahan ang market, and as much as possible, wait for further confirmation, right? If ever sa tingin nyo, nasa support na siya at magbabounce, what you do is be more conservative, antayin nyo po yung bounce before kayo mag-entry. If sa tingin nyo po magbe-breakout, huwag nyo muna enterin. Just wait for the breakouts. And speaking of breakouts, if it's ghost month or if it's the market is like this, I don't usually like breakouts. So as much as possible, pullbacks po and support bounces po ang ini-enter natin pag ganitong mga ganitong mga situation like ghost months or bearish markets if you really want to trade. Okay? Do you have any question? Auto sell 2:51 a.m. Yes, yung ano. Good morning, sir. Lloyd, any sites on web at WPI? Ayan, dadaanan natin yan mamaya. Right, so let's go back. Si MBT, so far so good. MA20 niya nag-hold naman. Okay? Your thoughts on MBT? As long as the support holds, you can go for MBT. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yung uptrend niya. We already are seeing higher highs and higher lows. So, that's the start of an uptrend. So, that's the best time to enter the stock. Kasi malaki na ang chance na umakyat siya since we have momentum already. MBT, as long as the support holds, you can test that out. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip si Tugs. STI si Tugs. 52-week low na naman si Tugs. Big sell-off for Tugs yesterday. Hindi po bullish yung mga tao, but these are bodega levels already for Tugs. My strong recommendation for Tugs is just keep buying Tugs if ever bumaba pa yan. Tugs has very good projects right now. So I'm recommending Tugs. Babawi rin yan in the future. Okay? STI. Pero if you're in it for short term, wag nyo munang pasukin si Tugs and wag mo muna kayong pumasok. Still volatile on the downside. So baka bumaba pa si Tugs, okay? Huwag nyo muna papasukin. Kahit sabi ko, just magbodega. Always wait for a stabilization and support for your first-time entries. Sa mga pumasok kay Tugs, and if you're short-term, I think your cut loss has been hit already, so cut your losses. For those na nagmi-middle term or for long-term naman kay Tugs. Tugs is a good company who's been buying. If you have been buying the dips of Tugs, these are good entry points for those na nagbubodega kay Tugs. Depende po yan on your strategy. Please be sure what your strategy is. For short-term traders, not yet an entry for Tugs. Okay? STI. Si STI, reversal pa eh. Stay away from STI for now. And then, si Web naman, yun, si Web, nag-recover rin kaagad after the PCSO lifting. Sumabay naman siya. Problema ko kay Web, medyo mataas na. I think magpapahinga pa ito si Web. Hopefully, it gives us another support entry at mag-pull back yan and gives us a support before you wanna get in. Bakit? Very high risk na ngayon. The support is right here. You are already near the resistance. Not good to enter that stock up there. Insights po for Microsoft. Thank you po. NSFT. Right. MSFT. Right. Massive pullback for MSFT. Nawala yung gains ko kay Microsoft. Buti nakapag-sell off na tayo sa tuktok. Microsoft, let's see what will happen. Yung Feds na lang inintay natin. If we see a good Fed, what do you call this? If we see a good Fed cut, and Microsoft should be able to recover. Massive. Ang ganda nito Microsoft is hindi ito nagpo-pullback na malaki. Even on the drop of the market. Napakaliit lang ng binagsak ni Microsoft during the last drop ni Microsoft. Ang liit lang ng binagsak, nagre-recover kaagad si Microsoft. Okay? Kasi maganda po ang earnings ni Microsoft. This one is good for long-term si Microsoft. Napakaganda i-long-term ng stock na ito. Next for Microsoft is Ali Quicksilver. Good. August 1 to 29, Ghost Month 15 is the festival, right? That is correct. Kasi sa Chinese calendar, 15 is the August 1 sa kanila. Kier Acabado, Sir Lloyd, SMPH po, good for long term. Yes, definitely. Ang ganda ng company na yan. And SMPH is now tackling the online selling na rin. Look at this. Earnings nila sa second quarter is positive 16%. So that's very good numbers for SMPH. Definitely very good for long term. Genmar Katakis, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ali, MPI, please. Thank you. Ali. And si Ali, reversal pa. So stay away lang muna for Ali. MPI. Sir Lloyd, ask ko lang po kung makakabawi ba si Lotto, especially sa Ghost Month. I'm not really sure. If ever Lotto gives us good numbers sa second quarter niya, most probably that will be a big boost for Lotto. MPI po, nasa resistance, breakout or support bonds po ang entry natin for MPI. Si Lotto, tingnan natin. Second quarter earnings, negative 200. Ay, lumabas na pala yung second quarter earnings niya. Let's see that. Laki na negative. Mahirap to. This is gonna be heavy for Lotto. So, baka bumagsak si Lotto because of that. That's why I'm not recommending Lotto. Ganda lang nung dip niya because of the scare. Binili ng mga tao and then instant gains. Tapos magbebenta rin kaagad yung mga yan yung sumalo sa bottom. So, konti ingat lang kay Lotto. I can't say mag-recover ba yan or not, but this is not gonna help for the recovery. Negative 200% for the second quarter earnings. Negative 100% for the first quarter earnings. Those are very heavy numbers. Ang hirap bawiin yan. Okay? Asa na yun? Jenmar Katakis, good morning, sir. Ali and MPI, please, thank you. Ali, MPI, we already checked that out. Michelle, sir, ABA po. Si ABA naman. Right, si ABA, lower Bollinger Band has been triggered. This is the reason why I haven't been recommending ABA because it's already very expensive and mahirap na yan. Mahirapan na yan umakyat. And we're touching the lower Bollinger Band, so we're expecting volatility on the downside. So baka bumagsak pa si ABA. So stay away from it for now. Jeros de la Calzada. Good day. Just want to ask what happened to international market at ano yung Fed rates. Thank you po. International market, big drop for the international markets. If gusto niyo po makita. Alright, negative DJI. Dow Jones, this is Dow Jones, negative 300 ticks. Alright, that's 1.23%. Nasdaq, negative 1%. That's very big drops for the international market. That is because Feds are not showing signs na magda-drop sila ng rate. Fed rates meaning ito yung tax in the stocks, right? Pag bumaba kasi ang tax when trading, mas gaganahan mag-invest ang mga tao. I'm gonna put, kasi when we talk about international market, malakihan po ang pera dito. Okay? If ever someone puts $1 million in a stock, even a 0.5% na tax is gonna be very heavy for that entry. So if ever the Fed is gonna be cutting rates, meaning liliit po yung tax, meaning more value for their money, people are gonna invest more if ever that will happen. Pero yung Feds kasi, they're protecting the GDP also of the country. Kaya minsan din, and then the taxation, gusto rin nila na may tax na kukuhang maganda ang country overall. Kaya magta-tax rin yan sila. So we'll see what will happen. If the Fed cuts rates in the stocks, then that should help the stock go up. Especially right now na napakaliit ng GDP growth ni US. Okay? So that's gonna be heavy for the stock. We should be cutting losses soon if ever bumaba pa ito not Dow Jones, for Microsoft. But hopefully magtuloy-tuloy at mag-cut the rates ang international market. So abangan lang po natin yan. Insights on web, please. 25% gains already. Good morning. Oy, Melinda, good job. Right? Congratulations. So far, so good. Maganda naman ang momentum ni web. I just don't want to recommend buying it. Pero you have resistance right here. Once you see weakness at the resistance, you start selling half already. Okay, Melinda? Congrats. Good job on your earnings. Ang galing. Becca Tangan, good morning, sir. Any insights po kay ISM? Ito yung web ngayon, right? Si web, malapit na sa resistance. Pag nahirapan yan dyan, you sell it. Good morning, sir. Insights po kay ISM, LHC, and GFC. Si ISM. ISM is just keep buying the dips. This is a very good dip for ISM. Pag once we see stabilization, maybe a support right here, I'd say buy ISM. Just keep buying the dips of ISM. ISM, LHC. LHC nasa ME20 but heavy on that. I think tapos na itong uptrend ni LHC. We reach oversold levels and very big sell-off. Hopefully, hindi naman magtuloy-tuloy yung bagsak and mag-sustain yung ME20. But then again, LHC is already very expensive. It's at the highest it has been ever. So, mahirap po si LHC. And JFC is one of our recommendations for today. Mars Laskaban, Ion JFC, or sayang na hit cut loss ko kay Vita kahapon bago tumaas. Right, so Vita, bakit? Ang cut loss nyo kay Vita dapat was is this support right here, di ba? And then we cut loss below that support. And di naman bumaba dyan. So, there must be something with your cut loss. Sayang naman. Ion and JFC, si Ion muna. Si JFC na-cover na natin, but I'll just cover that again when I go through my recommendations for today. Ionics, we have a good support for Ion. Pag nag-green yan, just keep buying the support. If you can even buy here at the bottom, that much better kay Ionics. There's good volume on it already lately. So that's accumulation right there. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung pag-akyat ni Ionics. We have a very good support already. Mars. Ali Quicksilver PHA does not have funds, so Sama confirmed. No Sama confirmation or updates. Right, PHA does not have funds. Ali Quicksilver, this is interesting, no Sama confirmation or updates. Hindi ba nag-confirm si Sama? Di ba nasa website na nila na partner nila si LHC? I'll look for that again today. But the website of Sama is nakaano na si PHA is under their partner. So that should be good already. Wala rin namang updates. Ang alam na natin is update is bibigyan sila ng pera. Wala namang update. Yes, walang confirmation from Sama side, but there's also no retraction on the updates rin naman. Right? So as long as maganda yung as long as wala namang retraction, that's still okay. Zapkill Arfel SPC poser, SPC. Excuse me. SPC. Taas na SPC eh. We recommended SPC here at the support. I'd say wait for a pullback for SPC. Maganda yung momentum ni SPC, but best lang talaga to really wait for pullbacks and bounces before you wanna enter this stock. Kasi nakalipad na yan eh. Ryan Rondon, ano kaya mangyayari ko sa Zine? Lalabas po kasi mamaya earnings niya eh. Sana same siya ng Apple na tataas. Yes, we're expecting for Zine to go up kasi most probably maganda yung earnings niya, right? According to analysts. So we're basing our entry on that, and then hopefully mag-sustain. Just in case na mali, we always cut our losses. That is the heart of trading, right? The heart of trading is you speculate and then look for a low risk position. Nasa support po tayo ngayon kay Zenerba. And then if ever maganda yung earnings at umakyat yung market, we can always we're already in. Then if ever mali tayo, then just cut our losses. Ganun lang po. Sir MBT nga po, makisuyo. Sir MBT as long as the support holds. So hopefully si Zenerba umakyat. Abner Especio, Coach, good day, good morning. Pa-insights naman ko for FLI and now. FLI. Si FLI nagbe-break na ng MA20 eh. So, delikado si FLI. This is the reason why kahit na nag-MA20 bounce yan si FLI, hindi ko ni-recommend kasi masyado mataas na. At again, if mataas na ang stock, mabigat na ang chances na umakyat yan, especially in our market na manipis ngayon ang market. Okay? That was for FLI. Okay, FLI. Next si Now naman. Now has a support right here. This is the best entry point for Now. Ito, 1, 2, 3. That's the best support for Now. Hopefully, bigyan kayo ng entry point there. Kaso nga lang, lower highs ang pinapakita ni Now eh. Kaya delikado. That's gonna be a bearish pattern for Now. Mukhang bearish si Now. Hindi ko muna i-recommend si Now, okay? We can test out the support since malakas naman yung support na yan. Hopefully, bumuelo from that support. But right now, it's not yet a buy. Ernie Medina, URC po, Sir Lloyd. URC is still doing a pullback. Mukhang reversal na si URC after a very strong climb. Stay away lang muna. Tags, mamaya na sa bounce, pwede kayo bumili. Pwede kayong mag-test buy lang. Please, bodega lang. Konti-konti lang. Right, Sir Lloyd, ano po sa tingin nyo kay GBP, AUD, and USD, JPY? Uy, mag-forex tayo. GBP. Ang problema kay GBP, it's very weak against if it's very weak against any other what they call this currency right now because of the Brexit. If ever mag-bounce ito, this will be a good confirmation for GBP USD. It broke the MA20 at this level, so that's a good sign. And then nag-confirm ng support dito. If it confirms the support, then use this line as your support, as your entry point for GBP AUD. If gusto niyo pong pumasok kay GBP AUD. Okay? Antay lang ng bounce for confirmation. And then USD JPY. Yan. To. So USD JPY breakout. This is good. Hey, use a breakout strategy for USD JPY. Mukhang maganda ang trend nito. Okay? Reversal of trends na. Nag-bounce na support area. Very good bounce at this. Dapat nasalo natin to dito. Okay? Use a breakout strategy for USD JPY. Thoughts po for oil. Si oil, ang ganda ng climb ni oil eh. Oil. Kasi oil nagpo-pull back pa. Mukhang mahina si oil. But anyways, we have a higher high for oil. We have a possible support right here. Any bounce soon, I think would be good for oil. Pag nag-bounce in si oil, that will be a good entry point. That's a higher high and higher low. So right now, medyo shaky siya. But overall, oil is still cheap. Pwede pa itong umakyat in the future. Okay? Maganda pa rin ang future ni oil. It's just that pull back after these strong climbs for oil. Sure, technical insights kay Tech. Thank you. Kay Tech, so far so good. It's still on a sideways trend. So if you are planning to enter Tech, buy the support, just do test buy pag nag-green yan today. Benwa, good morning sir. ATN at ISM po. Salamat. More, where pa? Parang si Yorme. Alright, ATN. ATN. This is the support of ATN. I'm recommending a buy for ATN, especially the good news kay ATN. Pero ang overall recommendation ko for ATN is for long term. Just keep buying the dips of ATN, and we are at dip levels right now. So here is our buy levels. I'd say yes, just buy ATN. If it goes further down, just keep buying more for ATN. ISM po, si ISM naman, for long term naman yan, just keep buying more. Lemon, Idvent, good morning Sir Lloyd. Questions for eToro. How many trades per day po if you have a capital of $1,000? Thanks much. That depends with you. Okay? Kung gusto mo maging day trader kasi, let me open Team eToro Pilipinas. Depende kasi yan kung anong class and trader ka. If you have $1,000, you can use that for day trading. Even if just $200, pwede nyo pong gamitin niya as day trading. Okay? This guy, Richard New, is a rising star here. Amazing gains. For this month, 39%. This is from trading oil and gold. Right? So, laki ng gains na yan. And he's playing with $2,000 lang. Right? For you, $1,000, that's basically the same. We look at the percentage. And these are day traders. Ang mga tao dito is what do you call this? These are scalpers. Look at these. Look at Jed, one of the admins here. May talo siya for day trading. And then, I believe Jed is only playing with $1,000. Ang alam ko. $1,000 ba yun or $2,000? Not really sure how much. Right? But yeah, you can already trade. It depends with you. Kung anong plano mo as a trader. This guy is only trading $300 and he's up. He's gaining already on his $300. So, pwede po yan, yung $1,000 mo. You can already day trade there. Right? Depende po yan talaga sa strategy mo. I'm inviting you guys to join Team eToro Pilipinas. These are the eToro traders of the Philippines. Search for the group, Team eToro Pilipinas, and enter. I'm one of the admins here. People here guide the traders in eToro. Meron dito mga scalpers. We even teach you how to scalp for free. dito sa Team eToro Pilipinas. But heads up lang guys, scalping is a very high skill, a very skill demanding trading. So you have to be patient as much as possible. Try it with your virtual portfolio if you want to try scalping. Okay? Para masanay kayo sa mga conversion, sa mga times 100 na, what you call this, sa mga times 100 na leverages. These guys use so much leverage. I know Richard is using around times 50 na leverage. Yeah. But yeah, you have to use leverage kung maliit ang pera ninyo. And try to use $200 on your virtual funds to try scalping. Scalping is very, very lucrative. This guy's Richard News earned 39% for this month for scalping oil and gold. You can do that here also. Okay? Almost had a heart attack during the Jerome Powell speech. But anyways, to answer the question, Richard has answered yes, times 50. Yeah, sinusubaybayan ko rin yan si Richard. His performance in the international market. Richard just replied in the comments, yes, nagta times 50 siya. So yeah, you can learn scalping in this team. Join Team eToro Pilipinas. I'm inviting you to join there. Yung strategy ko kasi sa eToro, since I am handling funds, nagpo-position trade lang ako. Tinamaan lang ako ngayon. Ang ganda sana na start natin eh. Tinamaan lang ako ng massive pullback ng market, kaya binawi rin kaagad yung gains natin. Hopefully mabawi ko pa. Right? I'm going for the low cap stocks, yung mga hindi blue chips, para hindi gaano affected sa pag-drop ng indexes. Okay, kaya isa si Zane sa pinasukan natin. So we adjusted our strategy. Team eToro Pilipinas, create an eToro account. If hindi pa po kayo nagka-create ng eToro account, please use my link. Gamitin niyo po yung link ko when you create an eToro account. That helps the channel a lot. Laki po ng tulong niyan pag ginamit niyo po ang link ko. And then join this para po kung gusto niyo pong gawing career on trading, dito po, people are already earning and they're learning how to scalp. Meron ding nasusunog because they went too aggressive and they're scalping kasi naiinggit sa mga nakinikita ng mga scalpers. But this is a good avenue to learn scalping. Kung gusto niyo pong araw-arawin ang trading, you can scalp here. Even with just $50, kaya niyo po mag-scalp na yan. Laki na nakikita niyan, even with just $50 sa eToro. Again, please create an eToro account using my link. It's 9:05. I'll go to my picks really quick. Konti lang naman ang picks ko ngayon. Here are my picks for today. I'll put this on the comments. Again, Team eToro Pilipinas, join that. That's gonna be a very good guide for you guys. Very good group. Malaking tulong po yan. Number 1, si JFC. Si JFC, I'm picking JFC for today. Bakit? Because nag-break out si JFC from that triangle right there. That's a good entry point. That's a very good signal for JFC. It's a buy for JFC. If you wanna trade it, use this as your support. But for mga gusto magbodega, this is a good sign. Kung gusto nyo magbodega on the upside, hindi yung sa bababa, this is a good signal for JFC to buy. Okay? Buy na sa JFC for me. SMC. Si SMC rin naman. May magandang news si SMC yesterday. Lumabas yung news na sila ang makukuha for the airport. Bulacan ba yun? Forgot. But that's very big news for SMC. That should help make it spike up. Breakout strategy for SMC. And then AC, Ayala Corporation, MA20 bounce. Right there. Perfect MA20 bounce. That's why I always teach you MA20. And AC is still not yet that expensive. Kaya I'd say, I'm recommending AC. I'd say that's still gonna go up. PNB. Si PNB naman, we are at support. Just confirm the support. I'd say test that support out for PNB. Those are my recommendations for today. Yeah, you're welcome, Richard. Yeah, Richard News doing very well in the international market already. Be like Richard, guys. Shout out. You can also always learn how to trade, especially in the international market. Ang ganda ng volume. Technical analysis, especially in scalping, technical analysis tend to follow if ever there is good volume. And sa PSE, sadly, ang hirap po mag-scalping sa PSE because napakanipis po ng volume. Really hard to catch this one. Sa commodities, constant lang kasi konti lang yan sila. Right? There are so many people in the international market trading commodities. And there are only a few commodities. Ang pinaka-common is oil and gold. These two alone, ang daming nag-i-invest dyan. So the volume in these two are very good. That's why technical analysis tend to happen because ang laki ng volume. When there's volume, technical analysis has higher chances of winning. And under Desaya, good morning sir, BAH po. Ba. Is it in here? Ito? Booz Allen Hamilton. Hindi ko kilala to na company. Hindi, international to, di ba? Si BAH. I'm not sure. Yan, NYSE. Yan. NYSE lumabas. Tuloy. Booz Allen, ME20 bounce for Booz Allen. Ang ganda sana na earnings ni Booz Allen nag-gap up after that. Tapos ME20 bounce for Booz Allen and that's ang ganda nito is dalawang signal ito, breakout plus MA20 bounce. So nag MA20 bounce si BAH yesterday. I think magtutuloy-tuloy yan following the trend. So that's still okay for me si BAH. Next kay BAH, Benwa, pag-greet po ako sa wife ko, Hannah Grace, and to our Princess Lian and Levine. Happy viewing here in Taiwan from Cebu. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Benwa and to your family. Princesses Lian and Levine and Hannah Grace. Good morning po. Rolando Hamela, somehow your message got retracted. Jason De La Cruz, sir, ask ko po kung makakabawi pa si Lotto sa ghost month na. Really hard to say, especially na pangit ng earnings ni Lotto the past few days. I mean, the past few quarters. LC Lazaro, message got retracted. HR, sir, normal po ba na down? Ako ni $6, nag-copy ako sa'yo. Sir Lloyd, salamat po. Yes, that's okay kasi na-hit tayo ng pullback na market kaya medyo bumagsak yung port natin. That's okay, babawiin ko po yan. Copy trading is for long-term. I will recommend go for long-term for copy trading po. Malas lang naman. It was a very good start and then again nag-pull backs at the end of the month. Jason De La Cruz, sir, ask ko lang po makakabawi pa si Lotto. Yan, kinover na natin yan. Jinky, Kaseka, FNI, please, FNI. Yan si FNI on the bounce. Pag nag-bounce po yan, that's a good support for FNI to test it out. Test out the support of FNI. Nagpa-higher highs tayo kay FNI. So this is a good signal. Okay? For FNI. Next, Adonar Gourmet. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip ng RRHI and APX. RRHI, very good climb the past few days. Right, RRHI, we are at resistance levels. Best entry points for RRHI is this uptrend right here. Just plot your uptrend. Dun po yung pinakamagandang entry points kay RRHI. We have a very good resistance kasi dito So, I'm not really confident with RHI. But if we enter here at the uptrend niya, that's the best entry point for RHI. APX. Regards from Kuwait, good morning po sa inyo dyan. APX, very good volume yesterday for APX. Kaso nga lang when it hit the resistance, and namatay ka agad si APX and then bumalik sa baba. This is challenging. Ganda sana nag-pull back rin after that right? After touching the upper Bollinger Band, nag-pull back rin sa MA20. This would have been the best entry point. Hopefully, bigyan ulit tayo ng MA20 entry in APX. That's the best entry point. Andrew Prang, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Oops, bumaba bigla. If there is one trading strategy you would recommend to a person who has 1 month experience in position trading, what would it be? Position trading, right? Make sure you are already good in position trading first before you proceed to other strategies. Kabisaduhin niyo po muna yung position trading, and if you're already earning, that's when you try to ride momentum or mag-scalping. Pwede na kayo mag-day trade after. Pero practice, right? Practice po. Huwag muna kayo mag-practice, magsabay na mag-scalping tsaka position trading. Master your position trading first. 1 month ka pa lang sa position trading, right? Make sure you're consistent. Let's say if you're consistent after 6 months, then that's when you try other trading strategy. Okay, Kabayan Trading Channel, nice video, sir. Thank you, Kabayan Trading Channel. Joel Alan Bulencia, si PHA, pababa pa si PHA, so ingat lang muna. Hi, sir, insights on Pfizer, please. Let's check out Pfizer. Right, Pfizer. Nag-bounce naman Earnings ni Pfizer, okay naman ang earnings niya. Not really sure why Pfizer dropped. But this is good support for Pfizer, and there's good volume on that bounce. This is nice. Yeah, you can test out the support of Pfizer. Kasi noon, the last time na it reached that level, umakyat naman siya. So we're back down at that level. So very volatile. Pero maganda yung earnings niya. Ganda na earnings ni Pfizer. Yeah, you can test the support out. This is a good level for Pfizer. Okay? Pwede nyo po testing yan. Good find, Emerald. James Ferrer, 25 basis point lang binawas ni Fed. Lumabas na pala. 25 basis points lang binawas ni Fed sa US interest. I'll look more into that, James Ferrer. Most probably that's the reason why bumagsak ang market. I'll check more into that today. Sir Lloyd, paano gamitin yung bid-ask volume para sa makadecide what price to enter? Does the amount traded within a day translate to price action or selling or buying pressure? Okay, very good question. Sino ba dito may bid and ask na? It's already 9:13, so most probably meron na tayong bid and ask. Let's say... No. May bid and ask na ba lumalabas? Hindi pa. Let's say ABS-CBN. Uy, sa ABS-CBN ha, nagpo-pull back na. Good signals for ABS. I'm just waiting for green before I can recommend that. Paano ba dito? This is for the transactions. Ayan, bid and ask. Right. So here, for day price action, ganito po yan. For example, sa ABS-CBN, the current price is as 18.30. Tignan nyo po ang bid and ask. This can help you also. Pwede po kasi yung mga meticulous ka talaga na traders, especially the momentum traders, tinitingnan po nilang bid and ask, right? If you're a scalper. Saan ba pinakamalaking may buying? I'm just gonna go above that. For example, ito, let's say this is very big already, 18.22 and 18.28 at 1.9, right? So, titignan ko dito are this. Kasi, pag pumila ako sa 18.28, pag linagay kong presyo na bibili ako sa 18.28, may mauuna sa akin 1.90. Right? And if there's bidding on these levels, most probably, aakit ng stock kung malaki ang bidding dyan above that level. Kasi yung mga gustong bumili, tatapatan nila yan mas malaki 1.91 para mauna sila. And when that happens, saka naman lilipad ang stock. So, for those who are very meticulous, especially momentum traders, you have to look at this and then you just go above that for a bit para mauna po kayo sa malaking bid. Same with selling. Pero if you're a position trader, whatever the price is right now, ang tinitingnan mo kasi is ang support and then your overall risk. Kahit pa sa anong presyo yan, tas maliit lang naman ang difference ng dalawa, as long as pasok naman siya sa risk to reward ratio mo, you just enter it. It depends on your trading strategy. If you're scalping, you'll be more meticulous into this. But if you're position trading, you just buy at any price with at any price the current price is right now. If may nakita na kayong bounce, and at the end of the day, that's already a good bounce, you just enter. You don't really care about the bid and ask. Kaas Laws, what day po ang official start ng ghost month? Thanks po. Following the Chinese calendar, August 15 po. Josephine Wahe, sir, may pag-asa pa back cement since napili namin during IPO? Back cement? Sino si back cement? I'm not really sure, is it CHP? Are you talking about CHP, Josefino? If it's CHP, may pag-asa pa ba? If you open it at IPO, nasa 12 kayo. Right, so IPO opening was at around 11. May pag-asa pa bang bumawi? We can't say. I don't want to say may pag-asa because I'm gonna be fueling your hope and that's wrong trading strategy. Ang pag-asa na tinitingnan natin kay CHP is if they give us good numbers. Okay? So, first quarter ni CHP, positive naman siya, positive 114%. So, hopefully, mas sustain nila. It's not yet fundamentally strong, but hopefully, at least 1 year lang nila ma-recover. That should make the stock go above 4 pesos. Right? Pag nakapag 1 year sila na maganda. Okay. Romel Icasiano, tama po, bodegahan na. I like tags, sir, since RSI overall are oversold levels na. To po yan. Tags, dapat ibinobodegan nyo na po yan. Christian Caswar, good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Bago pa ako lang sa eToro, pwede po ba mag-fund money using PayMaya? How? Si PayMaya kasi, if you open the app, meron yung virtual credit card. Use that. And then once you fund your eToro, just click on using credit card and then use the digital card that PayMaya is give you. Romel Icasiano, sir, trending yung post ko sa FB tungkol sa na-feature ko yung bilyonaryo. 100 likes. Oy, thank you so much, right, Romel? RJ Menjola, good morning, sir. Coach, pasilip naman si Tech. God bless. Si Tech, buys lang the support holds for Tech. Sideways po siya, pero test buy lang. No need to go aggressive on the test buy. RFA 1976, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip po, APX and PIP. We talked about the APX already. Let's check out PEP Incorporated. No, PIP. Iba pala yun. Si RJ pala yun nag-request ng PEP. Pepsi Cola. Mahirap si Pepsi. Mukhang pababa pa si Pepsi. I don't wanna recommend it yet. We're seeing lower highs and lower lows. Still on a downtrend si PIP. So, I don't want to recommend that yet. Sa international market naman, may question si RJ, PEP Incorporated. PEP Incorporated. Not really sure about the fundamentals of this stock. Si Pepsi. Pepsi rin. Mukhang pababa pa eh. Right? Laki. Because of the Fed rates. Ang alam ko kasi, last update ko last night is, mukhang hindi magbibigay ng magandang cut si Fed and hindi nga mababa lang pala ang kinat niya kaya pala nag-pull back ang market. So let's wait for these stocks to stabilize before tayo pumasok. Sir, good morning. Ayan. Pasilip naman po si WPI Sir Lloyd from JC Lazaro. So Waterfront. Time check, it's 9:19. Okay. Si WPI, possibly we have a support right here. Mahirap sabihin. This is a reversal. You can test it out. Hindi ko alam kung saan papunta to eh. Right? Maybe it's gonna go back down to support. But at least we just have, pag may green po yan, you can test at the bounce if you wanna go aggressive. I don't want to because I don't know where this is going. Baka mag-bounce lang ng konti yan tapos mag-downtrend na. So it's very volatile as of the moment. Hirap pa sabihin. Ryan Concepcion, message got retracted somehow. Under Desaya, good morning, sir. BHA po, bakit niyo po pinasok? Kasi maganda ang earnings ni BHA. No, BAH. Right. Earnings of BAH, 17%. I entered it here. So, I was waiting for it to do a pullback and bounce because this was the previous resistance for BAH. Kaya ko po pinasok. And then somehow, with the bearish market, pumula siya. But we're still holding on to the MA20. Kaya, yun po. We're still holding on to it. Ang ganda na earnings ni BAH eh. Right? And if you want to check out BAH, research-wise, analysts are saying, ito yung mga magaling na analysts eh. Right, BH analysts are saying nasa 72 pa ang average target natin and it can still go up to 86 and it's a buy for the analysts. Karamihan is saying a buy and hold. So yes, that's why I bought BAH. Then again, analysts na ito mga nagsabi eh. So I tend to look at what the analysts say and plan out a technical analysis strategy for BAH. Ano yun? Kaka-breakout nyo lang. That's why we enter the breakout. Good morning, Boss Lloyd. Good company po ba si Nickel? Yeah, so far so good. Maganda naman ang earnings ni Nickel eh. Diba? First quarter, negative 53. Ito, annual earnings. Last year kasi maganda yung earnings niya. First quarter lang, negative 53. But then again, overall, this is a good company. Nickel is a good company. Pero trading stock lang po yan. Right? Trading stock lang for me. I don't wanna go for long term dyan. Adon Argor, may isa lang po, sir. What's your thought on FTC? Salamat po again. FTC is one of the good companies out there. Marami po nag-hold dito. Look at those volumes. Alaga kasi ito ng mga brokers eh. Right? FDC is support for FDC. We have good volume spike for FDC yesterday. This is nice, right? I'd say biggest volume spike yesterday. Net foreign buying is negative 33k. Traded value. Okay, ang ganda ng volume ni FDC kahapon na. Hopefully, yeah, if I can recommend FDC, add ko po sa FDC sa recommendations ko for today. Bias lang sa support holds. Good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Baba po ba ang tax sa PSI? Parang nadinig ko po sa call. Yun din, ang plano po babaan ang tax sa PSEI. Hopefully, that boosts PSEI if the taxes go down. Isa rin yan sa rason kahit kaya nahihirapan si PSE Kasi di ba, if you remember last year ba yun? Was that last year? Nagtaas po ng tax sa PSEI. Kaya ang medyo nahihirapan si market. How about Mercer? If ever the taxes for PSEI go down, that should help the market a lot. Si Mer, baba pa. Si Mer, antayin natin sa support si Mer. Okay? Recommended Mer here. And umakyat naman siya. Kaso nga lang hindi nag-sustain kaagad. Kasi we are at resistance levels and bumagsak after that. Hopefully it drops here. That will be a triple bottom for Mer. That's a good entry point. Sir, pahabol lang po, ano po site kayo nag-check ng news ng updates sa international markets. We are subscribed to the Fly on the Wall website. It's the Fly on the Wall. Kaso nga lang paid websites po ito. This is a paid website. Meron po tayong sponsor na tumutulong sa atin to give us access to this. Diyan po natin nakikita yung updates for international market. And sa Team eToro Pilipinas, we always give out updates there. Ano yung mga significant na updates na binibigay ni The Fly on the Wall. We post it in the Team eToro Pilipinas for the international market. URPC po, sir, thank you. Mukhang pababa pa. Yes, Sir Lloyd, times 50. This is from Richard New. Congratulations, Richard New. Jerwin Marasigan, paano mo mag-scalp sa eToro? Jerwin, join the group. And then, meron po tayong Discord group dyan. Meron tayong mga live videos na habang nagtitrade, pinapakita po ng mga traders paano sila nasa-scalp. You can learn from there. Okay? Queen E, Sir Lloyd, good morning. Any insights po kay LHC? I don't want to recommend LHC. Masyado mataas po si LHC. Holcim po ba? Forming good price action? TY, yes, Holcim is ME20 holding. Very good for Holcim. I'd say yes, Holcim is, pwede nyo pong tingnan ito. Right, you can test out. Ang ganda ng price action ni Holcim. Na-break niya kaagad yung itong short downtrend niya. Ayoko lang kay Holcim, especially mataas, but the price action says it all. It's very good for Holcim. Negative 17 yung second quarter niya. But anyways, that's still okay. Kasi, ano pa naman, transitioning pa naman si Holcim as a company. Yeah, good price action for Holcim. Use MA20 as your support. It's already 9.25. Last lang po. LHC from Dan Ilagan. Masyado mataas na si LHC. Kahit nasa MA20 yan. Pag nag-bounce, yes, you can test it out, but I don't want to recommend. Windy Valmores, last lang si CHP. Okay, CHP. Ayan po. Nag-pull back na si CHP. This is somehow good for CHP. Abangan po natin ang bounce sa CHP. Kung gusto niyo po, if you wanna go aggressive on CHP, abangan natin yung pullback and bounce niya before you wanna enter. Use that as our support. Okay, that's it for today. Mag-update lang ako sa inyo guys if makapag-daily grind po tayo bukas. Right? I'll post a message for you if ever makapag-daily grind tayo bukas. That's a daily grind. I mean, sa The Billionaires Club. Again, join Team eToro Pilipinas for those who wanna trade the international market. Marami po kayong matutunan doon. Resources are there. Even live trading sessions sa nagtuturo po for scalping are there. Para makita niyo po na legitimate yung ginagawa ng mga admins natin dyan who are scalpers. Para matuto naman po kayo. If you wanna join eToro, please create the account using my link. Sa mga hindi po nakagamit ng link ko, send me a message para magawan po natin ng paraan para ma-under po yan sa atin. That's gonna be a very big help for us. Wag naman po masayang yung pag-create ninyo na account. At least makatulong sa channel natin when you create the account. That's it for today. I'll see you again. Hopefully tomorrow, mag-update lang po ako. Let's get rich together. Happy August 1 po sa inyo. Bye-bye.